Hello students, in this video we will understand Nusselt number and its significance by studying three definitions. Let's start with the first definition. First is Nusselt number is denoted by Nu. Okay, and here first definition we will write down equation here. Q convection upon Q conduction. Okay, here friends, see, Nusselt number is the ratio of the heat flow rate by convection process, okay, under a unit temperature gradient. That is, here temperature gradient is unit, means it will be 1, okay, to the heat flow rate by conduction process under the unit temperature gradient, again, okay, through a stationary thickness of L meters. Okay, so here this equation becomes H. Here this equation becomes H upon K upon L, and now after simplifying this becomes again here HL upon K. So here the definition is, it is the ratio of heat flow rate by convection process under a unit temperature gradient to the heat flow rate by conduction process under a unit temperature gradient through a stationary thickness of L meters. Here is the thickness of L meter. Okay, now here friends, second definition is here again. Here Nu is equal to, here we have, now let's first write down the equation. Q upon, into bracket here, del theta upon, del theta into K bracket closed upon L. Okay, now here, see here friends, now for this the definition is here, it is the ratio of heat transfer rate Q, okay, heat transfer rate Q to the rate at which heat would be conducted within a fluid under a temperature gradient del theta upon L. So here this is heat conducted, okay, and here it is del theta upon L is the temperature gradient. Okay, so here friends, this again simplified as here Q upon del theta into, here this becomes L upon K. Now we will simplify this equation again. This Q upon del theta becomes H, and this L, and this is K. So here again, here second definition is here, it is the ratio of heat transfer rate Q to the rate at which heat would be conducted within the fluid under a temperature gradient of del theta upon L, and here this is our formula. Okay, now here further third definition is here Nu is equal to, here L upon delta x. Okay, you can call it delta x. So here the definition is, now it is the ratio of characteristic length, this is the characteristic length, to the thickness delta x, as you can see here, of a stationary fluid lever conducting the heat at the same rate under the same temperature difference as in case of convection process. Okay, so here friends, we will simplify this becomes now L upon, first here understand the, here Q is given by K del T, that is temperature difference, upon del x. Okay, and this becomes now here K upon del x is H, which is again simplified as del T. Okay, now here friends, for del x, here delta x, here we will see now here, so delta x is equal to, we will get here now K del T upon here H del T. Delta T get cancelled and delta x is equal to K upon H we will get. So here now we will put this value of delta x in this equation. So here we will get now, here this becomes K upon H. Okay, now after simplifying this we will get now here H L upon K. Okay, these are the three definitions, and third definition is here. It is the ratio of characteristic length to the thickness delta x of a stationary fluid layer conducting the heat at the same rate under the same temperature difference as in the case of convection process. Okay, so now here further friends we will see now here significance. Okay, so here friends, see, first significance is here. Here as you can see here, this is our equation. Nusselt number is equal to HL upon K. So here we will now simplify this for our understanding. Here NU K upon here it comes L is equal to H. So here friends, now here see, now the significance is the Nusselt number is the convenient measure of convective heat transfer coefficient. Okay, for a given value of Nusselt number, here the convective heat transfer coefficient is directly proportional to convective heat transfer is directly proportional to conduction. Okay, thermal conductivity of the fluid, and it is inversely proportional to the length parameter, significant length parameter. So here H is inversely proportional to L. So here friends, see, the Nusselt number is, first significance is here, the Nusselt number is the convenient measure of convective heat transfer coefficient. Okay, for a given number of Nusselt number, the convective heat transfer coefficient is directly proportional to here thermal conductivity of the fluid and inversely proportional to the significant length parameter. Okay, further now here friends, see, second, here if here Nu is equal to 1, okay, then here heat transfer is purely by conduction in the boundary layer. Okay, purely by conduction in the boundary layer. Now if the Nusselt number is larger, okay, if the Nusselt number value is larger, then there will be larger the rate of heat transfer by convection process. Convection process. Okay, as you can see here, it is understood now. If Nusselt number is larger, then larger the rate of heat transfer by convection process. Okay, so friends, in this video we have understood the Nusselt number and its significance. Thank you friends for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.